Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Damian Thaler, and I'm the Director of Solutions Engineering for Multi-Sensor AI. Today, I'm going to be showing you our MSAI software that allows you to connect multiple sensors into a single web platform that will allow you to view all of your data in one place. This can be data from thermal, visible, acoustic cameras. It can also tie in ultrasound, vibration, voltage, and current, and various other sensors. When you log in, this is our executive summary page. So you can see the number of sites that we're currently set up, how many sensors are currently deployed, including how many are up and down, how many assets we're currently monitoring, and how many work orders have been generated. Then you'll notice here the work orders is a big feature we love to integrate with the way the customers have their standard workflow. So here we use an API system to tie into their work orders. So whenever an alert is generated, a work order ticket is automatically created for the maintenance team. And then they have 24 to 72 hours to check on that alert, depending on the criticality of the equipment and the type of alert that is generated. This is the alerts page. This is where we archive all of the alerts that have been generated. So on this page, you can download this table as a CSV. I can also open these alerts. And here you'll see this was a thermal alert. So I have my thermal image on the left and then my temperature versus time graph on the right. I could adjust the scale of this to look at trends over time. So I could go 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. I can do a custom date by using the calendar feature, or I can export the data. One of my favorite features on this page is the playback feature. This allows us to go back and watch the video feed within 30 seconds before the alert was generated until after the alert was generated. This is really helpful for root cause analysis or doing failure analysis. Next, we have the workstations page. This is where our live stream of our videos live. In here, you can see the different thermal cameras that we have up. We could also have visible cameras or acoustic cameras. If I click on one of these, I can see the temperature versus time graph along the bottom, as well as each one of the regions of interest that have been drawn to monitor the various equipment in this video feed. Also have the playback feature, so I can click a specific date and time and go back and view that video feed in 1 hour increments. So if there was some event that happened, I can go back and watch that event as it was happening. Next, we have our assets page. This is where we have the various sensors, where you can view the various sensor data that's tied to a specific asset. Here you'll notice we have vibration tied in, as well as the thermal. If we had voltage sensors, current sensors, oil analysis, anything else, we would be able to view all of that data here along the top as well. And then the last feature that I want to cover today is the notifications. So previously we've had text message and email, but now we've added webhooks. This allows us to integrate with third-party messaging apps such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, Chime. Any third-party messaging app that will allow webhooks will allow us to send notifications that way.